Why would you go up there? Be careful. It's all ice.
Another one.
Yo.
You the tow guy?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's me. This is a good one.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
There's no roundabout. Well, it's not a
How far does the driveway go? Oh, the house is right here.
I literally just delivered right here to this address on the corner. And because the vehicle was big, I put it back out. The ice hits it because they didn't
Yep.
well, and it slides nearly off the cliff. I actually pulled it back off the cliff.
This is close.
Yeah, it was cool, man. It was really.
So you shit your pants, huh?
I've been through this. This is my second time this year. This exact kind of thing. Because they're not salty.
Yep. I'm trying to see where I'm gonna. I gotta run something this way. You know what I mean?
Yeah, just some.
So yeah, I gotta find. I might use this tree here. Oh yeah, she's nice and solid. That's gonna work. All right, let me get my stuff. Whew. That's a scary one, man.
Yeah.
He's.
It was worse. It was literally hanging off.
Oh, it was hanging on.
Hanging off. I dug a little bit.
Yeah.
This
Let me see what we can do. Yo, old boy here almost rolled that bitch. Yo, he had to change his drawers. He didn't want to say it, but this is gonna be tough. I mean, realistically, I should have the 550 out here, but I might as well try it. I'm here. I might have to come back. I don't know. Too high. Oof. I don't know. Well, we'll try it. We might have to. I'm scared the post is gonna break. Yeah, it's concrete, but I think the tree root is stiffer than the post.
He needs to get his, yeah, he's unhooking. He's got to go up.
Where am I at?
You're almost off the edge on your front end.
Got me right out of there.
Yeah, yeah. These are fucking heavy.
2 more feet, it would have been over.
Oh, yeah. You would have rolled the thing right on the side. These things are heavy, too.
Oh, yeah.
They're fucking 10K.
Heavy, heavy.
Let me get out of your way.
Okay.
Eric, get the plate for me. No problem. Have a good one. Be safe out there. Yeah, you're going to have to pull up a little bit. You got the plate? All right, good. I'll wait for you outside. Make sure you get out.